All right, good morning. It is a Monday today. We're getting some snow tonight. We're getting some snow tonight for the first time in like a week and a half. And that means we gotta get this black truck out of here and some sand put in it. We're gonna get a plow on the white truck. We're gonna get this machine, the bucket back on it. And I think we gotta fill up, oh, there's sand in here. And I think we gotta fill up the loader with fuel. Because I'm pretty sure it's empty, I think. That one went in, that one went in. I'm gonna cycle through here a couple of times. Just make sure everything's good on that. With the new hose and all that. Ooh, why is it in there? That's not good. I gotta wrap that. Which means I gotta bring that inside, which means I gotta move this truck to pull out the other truck to put this truck in there. Okay. All right. Things all revving up. Relax. You don't gotta rev up, all right? I'm coming. So dramatic. Make it a little bit warmer on myself. Whoa. Get this wrap on. Try to protect this thing a little bit. Whew. That's cold. Okay, I'm gonna check the fluid on it, which I believe is checked in V mode. You know what? I think I have a manual in here, I believe. With the plow mounted to the vehicle, lower the plow to the ground and ensure that it is in the straight position. All right. I was wrong. It's really foggy out this morning, which is weird because it's minus 21. I don't know why it's foggy. Like, I feel like it would be so much easier for them to just put a sight glass, but instead, you gotta undo this cap every time. And then look inside and see if you see fluid. So I see fluid, and that means apparently that it's full. How much fluid do you have to see? I'm not sure. But I see fluid, so we're good to go. Allegedly. Okay. This truck's good to go. Right after I check the high beams and the signals. And boom, boom. We're gonna stick the wings on. Whoa, that's loose. Gonna have to tighten that. That's one thing I've noticed about these wings. As you mount them to the side, they are always loose. Because all they do is rattle. That's all they do. So I think I've had to tighten each piece at least 4 times on each item. Now what size is that? I think that's probably 3/4. Did that tighten at all? No. All right. They're loose and seized. I don't know how that works, but they're nylon nuts, so it should be fine. Get this truck parked. I'm gonna put that plow back inside. All right. Am I gonna hit anything as I come out of here? Don't think so. Jeez, this machine needs fuel. All right, this one's ready to go. Now I gotta get that loader fueled up because I'm pretty sure it's empty. Oh. You know, I used to use these tarps all the time. You know, fill it up, tarp it, empty it, tarp it. But I haven't really used them at all this year. I don't know if I really need them or not, you know? It's kind of hit or miss. And I'd like to get all this freaking water out of here. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is empty. Yeah, 61%. So we're gonna go fill this up. Apparently that's normal for it to drop like that, because I asked the cat guy about that, and he said it's just the actuator for the ride control kicking in, apparently. So he says, where did my squeegee broom go? What? Where? There it is. Okay, we're gonna go fuel that up. Oh, I locked the door. That rubber bumper is all screwed up again. That rubber bumper keeps moving. I don't know why. The one on that side stays still. You know, I've been struggling to find people all season. It is February 2nd today, February something today, and I was just able to hire 3 shovelers. I mean, I don't know if they're gonna last, but 3 more shovelers. I had one guy come and take a look at running the loader for me, but he just blatantly lied. He said, oh yeah, I've ran a loader lots. I've been plowing in a loader for 3 years. The guy got in here, didn't even know how to start it. And he sat down and looked at the joystick on the right and said, this is for the boom? What is this for? Which, I mean, you never ran a loader before then. So there was that. So I'll keep running the loader. But, you know, surprisingly, I found lots of shovelers. I think some of them are gonna stick around for the summer, which will be nice. Gotta hire guys for the summer anyways. I gotta go buy new bolts for that at Rastall right here. Go buy 2 new bolts. Oh, that reminds me, I noticed a big old clump of grease up here that I want to get rid of before it causes a mess. Perfect. I'm not a fan of grease. I know a lot of people are like, pump it full till it's leaking. Well, then you got a mess on your hands. Like this machine, you can see there's no grease spewing out everywhere. There's no grease all over the paint. It's all beautiful in there, you know? Sure, there's a little bit of grease on the sides, but you grease it and I wipe it right away. You know, you only got to give each grease fitting 2 pumps every 8 hours of runtime. You know, you don't really need that much grease. At that point, you're just wasting it. That's got the tip on it to do the plows. I think I greased this plow. The other plow I don't think has been greased. It might have been greased. Yeah, it was greased when it was inside. Okay, we gotta go get a bolt. Okay, I'm gonna run and grab this bolt. We'll be right back. All right, and we got 2 bolts here. $10, 2 bolts. Crazy. All right, I got these put back in there, and then those will be ready to go. I was able to get the wing a little bit straighter, but not by much. Not by much. Zip ties, Home Depot, 98 cents for a pack of 20. A pack of 20 11-inch zip ties. Come on, can't go wrong. I bought 10 packs. I bought 10 packs because zip ties never go bad. Never go bad. How are we gonna do this now? Who's got patience for that? This is my buddy's toolbox, but we're gonna borrow his wrenches. We're gonna borrow his wrenches because, well, I don't have a wrench that big. My wrenches only go up to 19. And then I have like really big wrenches, but 24. Oh my gosh, we're gonna be here all day. I wanted to weld a gusset on there, but I'll do it in the springtime. Fix all that up and bend it back first. But got that put together. Clean everything up here. Get these batteries off of here. Okay, so my dad needs all this stuff. Put this stuff in the truck. Those are new catalogs from our interlock supplier. So I picked those up the other day. Went in there and brought those guys coffee. You gotta be nice people. Gotta be nice people because they run my life, believe it or not. So I treat them well, they'll treat you well. At least that's the theory. Okay, he wants this saw. I have a diamond blade on it. I use this saw to cut interlock in the summer. Works pretty good for like those precise cuts. And then I got the bigger saws and whatnot for the long cuts and stuff like that. But this is nice for those precision ones. I believe this is reverse thread. Oh. Oh, and I don't have my small vacuum here. It's at my house. That vacuum's way in there. And I'm not convinced that reaches all the way over here. Ah, it does. Perfect. I gotta look at the updated snow forecast here in a second. Throw this in the truck. Oh my gosh. All right. Okay. Let's see what the weather. Minus 17 outside, minus 8. Oh, it's gonna warm up. Okay. 1 to 3 tonight now. 1 to 3, 1, 1, 5. 5 centimeters Thursday. Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Geez, Saturday's gonna get cold. We can do it Wednesday. All right, now we go home and we wait for the snow. It says it's gonna start around 6 p.m. 4 p.m., 6 p.m. I forget what it said when I looked. All right, that's it. We'll see you guys back when the snow starts. I don't know if there's 2 inches out there or not. I think we're gonna go scrape some shit anyways, but
yeah, 1.5 inches.
We'll go scrape some shit. I'm gonna take this truck to scrape the lots that are kind of far out of town. Just because there's not that much snow, so it'll be quicker with the truck than to drive the loader all the way out there. So we'll just let that warm up real quick. It's all nice, woo, nice light fluffy stuff anyways. I don't even need this. All right, we'll give that a couple minutes to warm up. We're just gonna go scrape the Tim Hortons, just because it's like 10 minutes out of town by truck, but by loader it's like 25 minutes. And with this amount of snow, I mean the truck can do it just as fast as the machine. Can plow it just as fast, I'm saying, as the machine. So all right, we're gonna give that 45 seconds to warm up. Other than that, all this stuff's ready to go. All right, let's go. I'm probably not gonna film that much tonight just because, well, there's not much to film. Not much snow, not much plowing. Just gonna have at her. So we'll see you guys in a bit. All right, we're back. Still snowing out. We definitely got 2 inches on the ground now. I didn't film anything out there because A, there's really not that much snow. It's not that interesting. Nothing funny happened, and you can't really see anything out of the truck anyways. So there was really no reason to film anything. Terrible iced coffee. It's terrible. It's the worst I've ever had. Yeah, I don't know how much of this I'm gonna film either. I mean, you guys have seen lots of plowing all year, and this really ain't no special storm. Was the last thing for this morning. Well, it's afternoon now. It's 2 o'clock now. But yeah, I just realized that I didn't film a single thing this morning. I didn't film any snow plowing this morning at all. So that's my bad, for sure. So I'll either take something else up on this video from tomorrow. I think we're doing some snow removal tomorrow. Or this is just gonna be a really short video. Not sure. You guys probably find out the exact same time I will, which is right about now.